Toward the end of July, Leslie and I came down to Aruba for a few months. This will be our first extended island stay of retirement. We made 23 dives in August, and the following clips show animals and activities we haven't typically seen in our annual 1 or 2 week vacations. So here they are, our top 15 underwater encounters for August 2020, in no particular order. Number 1. Free-swimming moray eel. We have seen a number of green morays since we've been down here, but most are just resting in the coral and rock during the day, preferring to go hunting at night. So it was quite exciting for the group to see this one out free-swimming during our morning dive. Number 2. Ocellate swimming crab. I didn't see this one actually swim, but it does look impressive with stretched out arms. The spots on the rear of its shell are there to confuse potential attackers. Number 3 involves a Threespot damselfish chasing me. Damselfish are known to shoo away larger fish from their territory. This one felt I was getting a bit too close and got in my face to let me know how it felt. Twice. Number 4. Squat anemone shrimp. I know I sound like a broken record sometimes, but go slow on your dives and take the time to explore an area closely. If you swim over anemones from more than a few feet away, you might never get to see a squat anemone shrimp. Number 5, and Leslie's personal favorite, Squadron of squid. My definition of a great dive is capturing something new on video or at least getting a nice compositional shot. Leslie's definition of a great dive is virtually any interaction with cephalopods. Number 6, black Margate. I like black Margates, but we haven't seen too many of these in the past. They always remind me of underwater pandas. Number 7, airplanes wreck swim-through. Swim-throughs are always fun, but even more so when accompanied by some fish. Be careful what you wish for, as this school made it difficult to even see the wreck at times. Number 8, Frond oyster. Okay, so Frond oysters don't move much, but that makes them even more special because you have to find them. They don't swim out in front of you. They look so dangerous, like bear traps. Coming in at number 9 is Octopus buffet. We saw this octopus waiting in its den on a Threespot night dive when along came a school of small fish, and then this happened. Look at the top of the screen for the one fish coming out of its hiding place in the sand. Also, is that a burp? Number 10, spotted moray eel. While green morays have been fairly common and we have seen them lying about the reefs, spotted moray eels are much more shy. Number 11, slipper lobster. Most of the lobsters we've seen so far are the typical Caribbean spiny variety. One night at the Bali dive site, we caught this sculptured slipper lobster at the bottom of some coral. Number 12, Scarlet-Striped cleaning shrimp. Looking into a sunken engine block at the bottom of Mangel, Halto, I noticed a purple-mouthed moray hiding out. Then I saw it was getting cleaned by some kind of shrimp. It was mostly blocked by the moray, but I was able to get a few seconds of clear footage, at least to determine what it was. Number 13 is the golden variation of a Coney. Coneys are actually kind of common here, but until this harbor reef dive, we'd only seen the standard reddish-brown and bicolored varieties. This golden variation really stands out. Number 14 is a pair of spotted drums. Spotted drum juveniles are fascinating to watch, but you don't see them that often. Spotted drum adults seem to be even more scarce, so this pair of adults was very surprising. Number 15 is a hogfish changing color. Hogfish often change color depending on whether they're resting, eating, or get excited. This one changed colors 5 times in less than a minute. please come back to see more of our underwater escapades. We are trying to grow the channel, so thoughtful comments and suggestions are always appreciated. And hit the subscribe and notification buttons if you want to see our latest videos as soon as they are released. Thanks for watching.